In this question, we're asked to use algebra to show that part of the line, here 3x plus 4y equals 0, is the diameter of a circle with equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. This is a circle. 25 must be r squared. GCSE circles are always centre origin and have equation x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Well, 25, one of those GCSE numbers, square roots to 5. So our circle radius 5 is based on the origin, and there it is. So let's muck this line around and get y on its own and see if we can make sense of it. So 4y is equal to negative 3x, and y is equal to negative 3 over 4x. Well, this is a line whose gradient is equal to negative 3 over 4. And the line goes through 0, 0. And just to show you what's going on, I've put it on our circle, but that's no good. We need to prove this algebraically. So what we've got to do is we've got to put this value into our circle equation and prove that there are two solutions, and the two solutions we should get are here and here. So in a way, the diagram has given us the answers. Let's prove them. So there's our circle. Now I'm going to substitute the value of y to be negative 3 over 4x. So I get x squared plus, that's just putting the new value of y in the equation. Okay, so we get x squared plus 9 over 16 x squared is equal to 25. So if we wanted to add these two terms up, x squared on its own will be 16 over 16 x squared, plus another 9 over 16. This makes 25 over 16 x squared is equal to 25. Well, that's a bit of luck because those guys cancel. So we've got, therefore, that x squared is equal to 16, and therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. It's always good to always say plus or minus and then reject a negative solution. So we've got two solutions of x, and yes, they match our diagram, and there they are. So writing out the coordinate points where the line and the circle meets, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 3, and when x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to 3. And there's the conclusion. The line and the circle meet at 2 points, and the line goes through 0, 0. Therefore, the line must be a diameter of the circle.